guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you guys have been, I know actually that you guys have loved the previous two videos because of all the comments and all the messages that I've received on Instagram about it. So we're here with another video, another challenge. So today our video is all about makeup. We're gonna do our makeup with our left hand. Because I can't do anything with my left hand. Like I'm very bad, very bad. So that's why I thought of this challenge. It's going to be fun to see what we make of our faces at the end.
And both of us are like righties, so let's see how it goes.
Okay, so I'm sure you guys recognize her. She's Aditi from Splits.
Hi guys.
Joking. That's Disha. She's a friend of mine from Jet Airways. We used to fly together, and now she's family. So I'm making this YouTube video with her today. Before we start, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, and also head to Instagram and follow us on our Instagram pages. Let's start.
Yes.
Okay, left hand now.
Okay,
you will
sorry.
take things with your right hand, but you need to
Apply it
with
with
the
the
left hand. Yeah.
Oh god. I'm no professional makeup artist, so if I'm doing any procedure wrong, so I'm sorry.
Got the wrong concealer out. Can't even see what I'm doing. Should we keep like a mirror here in front?
Yeah. I don't know. I think that one I need.
Oh my god.
Can't see it. I think I'm not blended properly if I can't see.
I know people who are good with their left and their right hand. So weird. How are they so talented? We have a bigger mirror. Okay, how do we do that? I think we'll have to like hold this.
It's okay, I'll use this one. Oh god.
If I can do this successfully now, I'm gonna try doing everything with my left hand.
So far, I think I'm just doing fine.
Yeah.
I think using a sponge with left hand is more. It's like my wrist workout or something. It's very difficult.
To all makeup artists watching, please don't judge us. We're not professionals.
No, I don't. I so feel like using my right hand.
Same. Wow, this show looking so pretty.
I don't know. If I'm doing any wrong step, please DM me that what I have done wrong, okay?
I'm gonna do eyebrows next. I can't even hold this properly with my left hand.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Look at I've messed it up.
It's okay, Steph. I'll still love you even if your makeup is
Thank you.
going to look crazy.
I wonder how we're gonna do liner.
That's the only part I'm most scared of. I think I will be able to manage till every other part of this makeup, but eyeliner, I think I'm going to keep it for last. I would like to show you that I can do makeup with left hand, but after liner, I know it's going to screw up.
How do you think it's going up to now? Oh my god. So stressful this thing. What is next? Eyeshadow. I'm using your eyeshadow.
Yeah,
I'm
sure,
gonna
no
open
worries.
mine. Oh, this is mine.
Mine is yours.
What are you making? Disha smoky eyes.
No, I'm going to make nude eye makeup, which I like to wear like almost every day. It's not very nude, but it's like shimmery and basic kind of makeup. Oh my god, this is going to be a little difficult.
What are you doing?
The amount.
Don't leave this video, guys. Please. I look like a bhoot.
So, Steffi, what is this one makeup that you like the most and you would want to like always have it with you?
Is it?
One makeup.
Like product?
Yeah. Any one product, like a lipstick or an eyeliner or mascara.
I think mascara and lipstick. I think that's like go-to.
Only one product that you would want to keep with you. Like if you,
lipstick.
I think that's the same for me. Like lipstick.
Eyeliner!
She's reached eyeliner, yeah.
I think I'm doing a pretty good job. How's it?
Not bad, but this one's like
Yeah, it's a little.
But it's okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's my left hand.
Left
Cut me
hand.
some slack.
I'm gonna go out like this one, yeah. By doing my left hand makeup and go out like this. But not like
Oh,
out,
yeah.
huh? You're only in the house, I don't
Yeah.
go out.
Come from Mira Road to here.
Yeah.
No, but she came long time back, so she's been staying with me since my birthday.
So you need it all the time now.
What's next? I think I put some contour. Don't judge us again, please.
We've tried our best in looking at looking best. Looking best. Oh my god, what's wrong with my English?
P
I
I
J
J
E
E
O N
N
Figure
Figure
No
I'm almost done, Disha.
I am getting done. Okay.
My makeup is fast makeup.
Yeah. Steffi's always faster. Like if we had to start makeup together, I'm always going to finish after and do that.
So too much blush.
I think it's okay. You know what? I didn't do my eyebrows and
You have mascara? I didn't get mascara.
yeah. Can you give me your eyebrow thing? Thank you. I really wanted the tweezers.
fast.
Now that I know.
Now, what's next? Put on some lipstick. I'm almost done.
Okay, I just have 2 steps left. 2. Okay. Oh god. Oh god, this is so dark. What do this now?
Lipstick done.
That's what I'm gonna do in fast forward makeup, okay?
Mascara. It's the last.
Oh my god, she's reached the last step. Okay, guys, all the best to me.
You putting liner?
Yeah.
And I'm done.
Ow!
What do you guys think of my makeup with my left hand? I think I did a pretty good job.
I'm a wing diet person, so I will not rest until I get a wing.
Okay.
Oh my god, how am I going to do this side? Can I just leave one side?
Come on, come on.
What is this scary?
I hold it.
I feel like using my right hand now. No, it's okay. I think I'll only have to hold it.
I like the eyeshadow. Good job. Sure. Done?
One.
Poke your eye. Huh?
This is like operating my eyes. I think I did a horrible job in my eyeliner. Like one is like so thick. See?
It's okay. Left hand, that's fine.
And what is this?
Chalo, now mascara.
I'm
It's okay.
so disappointed.
It's okay.
Okay. The best part is I don't need much mascara because of my eyelashes, so yeah. So I'm just going to sorry Steffi, you have to wait.
Yeah, man.
Done? Did you put highlighter?
No, I did not.
You didn't put highlighter. Wait.
I have highlighter here.
Even I don't have a highlighter.
I have, but it's inside.
Yeah,
Forgot
same,
highlighter.
Okay, the last thing. I know what is screw this also.
Marrow.
Few moments later.
Few thousand years later. Oh my god.
I'm done.
Come on, Disha.
I'm done. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I think we did a pretty good job. So guys, what do you think of our makeup? I think Disha won this round.
No, yeah, look at my eyeliner. I screwed it.
Who do you think the winner is? Let us know in the comment section. But I think for me, Disha is the winner. She
Yay!
did very nicely.
But we both are winners because we did it from our left hand. So yeah.
But do try this out and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you guys. I can't wait for us to reach a family of 50,000 subscribers. I'm sure that's going to happen soon. But do share all of these videos, the ones that you like, with your friends and your family. And yeah, I'll come up with more games and more fun videos. And till then, take care, be safe, wear a mask every time you
Stay
go out.
safe.
Only go out if there is something essential that you need to buy or whatever. And otherwise, yeah, stay safe. I wish all of you a very healthy life, and I love you.